I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and we are all here today to work on the floating side table. Now, the floating side table was a really fun project. It was one that I got the honor of being able to work with Vectric and teaching their user group meeting. It's a really fun user group meeting. And what I want to do during these 2 days isn't just go out and build a side table with you guys, because if we do that, you can all build side tables, which is fun. And we've done that in the past with the rocking chair and the stool. We brought you guys in and we just built rocking chair, and everybody came on with the stool. And that's okay, but a long time ago, someone much smarter than me said something about, give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach him how to fish, feed him forever, right? So that's what we're gonna do today. Today and tomorrow, we're gonna focus on some of the drawing, the thought process behind the drawing, why it works the way that it does, and some of the really cool tools inside of Aspire that are very, very, very underutilized. After we spent some time learning how to draw and toolpath the legs using the swerve cutting technique, we went out into the shop and cut enough legs for 2 tables. During the build, Dave Berkebile showed off how he uses 30-minute epoxy to quickly fill the bamboo V carving we decided on for the tabletop. When we finished cutting all the parts we needed for 2 tables, Dave showed us how he assembles the table as a one-man shop. Admittedly, his method was simpler than how I did the assembly on my first table. Each workshop participant receives all the files so that they can go home and build their own floating table. If you would like to participate in one of our workshops, go to our website, legacywoodworking.com, and become a part of our community, or call 801-491-0010. In this workshop, we raffled off the 2 tables we built, and Tom, one of the winners, sent us in these beautiful pictures. Thanks for watching, be kind to each other, and we will see you in the next video.